If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hi everyone, welcome to or welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and fast wreath. So the one that we're going to make in the video is going to be a fall themed or colored wreath. You could really do this for any holiday. They have at Hobby Lobby, the Yarn Bee, they have like these little skeins all together that are really nice colors, and I picked this for the fall colors. So I got 3 of these, and I got this loop also at Hobby Lobby, this wooden loop. It's kind of a medium size. You could also get a smaller one or a bigger one. And I also have a hot glue gun, so you're gonna need that, a pair of scissors, and I bought this crochet hook specifically to decorate this wreath. And I also have some of these cute little tags that I'm gonna decorate with it also. So the loop has 2 things on it. It's got this one that it's connected all the way around. I can't use that for this. This one that has it where it opens up with this little screw, this is the one I'm going to use. So I took the screw out, and what we'll do is we're just going to open this pack here, and these skeins we're going to take out, but we're going to leave this plastic piece on to hold it together. So I'll just take these out so that we can start. Right, so I am keeping them in order, the order that they were on the pack, because I like the order of colors that they had it in. So I'm going to keep that. And what we'll do is we're going to start putting these on one by one. I'm just sliding these on. And just be careful not to get the yarn, can get kind of stuck on these little wooden pieces here. One pack here that I have on, and I'm probably going to use all 3. I just wanted to make sure I had enough, so I got 3 of them. So I'm going to open the next one. So I'm going to start putting it on the other side and start from the bottom of the pack with the color that was on the bottom, so that I don't get the same color next to each other. Just a little bit better of a view for you of what I'm doing. So again, just adding these on. Okay, so I'm gonna open my 3rd pack. And again, I'm gonna start at the bottom so that I don't have the same 2 colors next to each other. And that was actually perfect. So 3 of those packs was absolutely perfect to fill up this medium-sized loop. Okay, so now that I've got all my mini skeins on this loop, I'm just going to arrange some of these to try to just make them look as nice as possible. So what I'm going to do is pick this up, and I'm just going to flip it right over so that the plastic little thing holding the skeins together is right side up. I'm gonna get my glue gun and just put a dab of glue on the inside here. Now I can zoom in for you. So I'm just gonna dab some glue in here and then just place that on the wooden loop so that it sticks. And we're just going to do that all the way around. So you really don't need much, just maybe like about a dab the size of your pinky nail. So I'm going to finish putting the glue on these, and I'll meet you when I get all the way around. Alright, so I went around and put my glue on all of them, and just giving them a second to dry, I'm going to replace this screw to hold this together. Okay, so hopefully all this is dry. We're going to flip it back over. There we go. Okay. Now, once we've got it flipped over, we can start adding our decorations. So first I have this crochet hook, and we'll just find a nice spot to put it, maybe over to the side a little bit. Facing one of these ways here. And just kind of put that in the top and then through the bottom to have it coming out like that. And I'm not even going to glue that. I think that would stay okay. I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'll get my little tag here. And I think I'm going to put it here just because I'm not loving how the yarn is laying over here. So I'll add it here to cover that up a little bit. Okay, so this one we are going to add some glue. And put some glue in there and just close that up. And you can just find these little strays and just kind of tuck them in the back. Alright, so now that I've got my little decorations down here added, I'm going to add my bow. So I actually got this bow from Michael's, and I tried to get a nice fall colors. So I won't need my hot glue gun with this bow because there's a little twist tie that I can add it. So I just want to straighten it up a little bit. So here I'll flip this over. And I'll just twist tie this right onto the loop here. Okay, flip this back over. Straighten that up a bit. And we have our beautiful fall wreath. Honestly, I'd probably keep this up all year round. I really love this. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.